guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about why Python programming is a good course for career seekers. Python is a very beginner-friendly language, and its syntax is relatively easy to read and understand. This makes it a great option for those who are just starting their programming journey. Python is used in a variety of fields, such as web development, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence. This means that by learning Python, you open up a wide range of career options. As a Python developer, you have a lot of room for career growth. You can start as a junior developer and work your way up to a senior developer, team lead, or even a project manager. In a Python programming course, you'll learn the fundamentals of programming with Python, including data types, variables, operators, control structures, functions, modules, and libraries. You'll also learn how to use Python to work with data, including reading and writing files, working with strings, lists, and dictionaries, and using regular expressions. Additionally, you'll learn how to create user-defined classes and objects, work with inheritance and polymorphism, and handle errors and exceptions. How to apply Python programming in these fields? Looking for a guidance for Python career? Call us on 84540-29842 or visit www.upsurgeinfotech.com. Registration